As part of a Highways England widening scheme, Ivor supplied and simultaneously installed 2 permanent retaining walls. Over 600 steel sheet piles of between 6 and 12 metres in length were installed using state-of-the-art Giken silent and vibration-free technology. This environmentally sympathetic method of installation offered limited disturbance to local residents and the travelling public. The carriageway also remained open throughout our piling works. To overcome adverse ground conditions, the 2 silent pilers operated in SuperCrush mode. One machine does it all, pre-augering the ground as the piles are being pressed in. Sheet piles were installed simultaneously in 2 separate locations, supported by AGD's telescopic crawler cranes. Giken technology is environmentally friendly and uses biodegradable oil. Ivor are the leading industry specialists for Giken SuperCrush silent piling technology. Whatever your piling project, we're your people.